Hello guys, welcome to TerrieBerrieNutrition. So today I'm here again with another super easy and delicious recipe, that is 3-ingredient Oreo cake. So for that we need around 40 Oreo cookies, 1.5 cup of fresh milk, and along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So let's get started. First of all, in a blender add Oreo cookies and blend the cookies well. Now gradually add milk to the cookies to adjust the consistency. Now add around 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the mixture and blend again until the required consistency is achieved. So this is how the blended mixture should look. You can always adjust the consistency by adding more milk. Now grease the base of a pan evenly along with the sides of the pan. You can place a butter paper or a newspaper or a brown paper, anything that you're having. And don't forget to grease the sides of the pan as well. Now pour the blended mixture into the pan. Turn on the stove and place a flat pan or a tawa over the stove. Now place the pot over the pan and adjust the heat to medium-low and let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. After 40 to 45 minutes, use a toothpick to see if the cake is fully cooked. The toothpick should come out clean. As you can see that our cake is ready and it's super soft and moist. Now you can decorate the cake with leftover Oreo cookies or melted chocolate or whipped cream. So this is the final look of the cake. I hope you guys like the recipe. Do try and let me know in the comment section below. Till then, stay home, stay safe everyone. Take care of yourselves and the people around you. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thank you.